Hello, welcome back. Still trying to figure out this thing. I did get it to register the follows. That is loud. I really wish there was a way to turn that down. Not sure why it's playing the sound or where the sound's being played from. I'm just gonna you do subscriptions. It shows this. I'm not sure if it's like if I'm supposed to be looking for the sub plan or the months. Did it crash? Don't tell me. Oh. Seriously? It crashed. Duh! Of course it does. But yeah, like, hold on. Streamlabs client. Is it under? Yeah, it's under here. If we do this, as well as that. I figured this out like an hour after the last stream. Where is it? Say the build has started, but I'm not seeing it anywhere. There it goes. Okay, yeah, system double. Maybe. Yeah, these three. Okay, so the bits is showing. I'm pretty sure I need to get the amount right here, but I'm not sure how to get just this without the quotes. We do hosting. Why do you keep freezing up? You were not doing this earlier. Why are you doing it now? Why? Ah, okay. So, okay, that's kind of cool. Didn't know I could do that. But if we do the donation, the amount 64, type message. 46. Nope, still showing an error. Is it seriously because of this part? I don't know why it would be. Okay, what is going on with you now? We're not doing this before. Okay, there we go. So the amount of 38, which right here, $38 to me from John. Final verdict is the donation amount is 38, and it is classified as a system double. Easy enough to convert into like decimal amount or whatever, as well as like formatting it so that way like every dollar or so can be attributed, and it is type donation, and then you do hosting. Why are you freaking out after the singular thing? I swear it was not doing this earlier, and it is making me mad. Look! Seriously? Yeah, it's going through there. Is it because it's not being debugged? Or is it because it's going through debug? Object type not found. Twitch host bits. Yeah, it's why? Okay, so you got follow. You've got the host right here. The bits, how many bits were donated. Something on my mouse pad that is constantly agitating me. You got the donation right here, $85. This is being converted to a double. Test donation for 85. Another donation Or yeah, the type is donation. You got the resub 8 months. I'm assuming it's that one. Or is it the amount that we're looking for? Twitch subscription. And then the follow. Yeah, why were you freaking out earlier? What in the world? It doesn't even like say the documentation. It don't even. Woo! And I've tried to go through the like this stuff. To go straight through and find it. has values. And my friend is messaging me. And of course I have to start all the way over. See, you get the property name and it's just going to return like message. Turn it to string and it's going to return all of the info for it. Like up here. You'll look at like the socket API. Hold on. Like this. Like, is that how many months that the person had been subscribed? Is this like how many months they're planning to subscribe? And this is for like the official documentation using JavaScript. Like their actual documentation straight for here. But the program I was using, I think this is it. Whoops. Show part of my desktop again. Yeah. You go through here and, oh, well, use a socket IO to receive Streamlabs events from their socket API in real time, which was what I just showed. You do the README. That's pretty much it. Come over here, Streamlabs events receiver, open up the README file. Yes, okay, cool. Problem with that. It don't detail much. I got down here, I think. Yeah, string J container root. You select token, which pretty much all of this is to show the stuff. Variable JArray, JData message. That's the content, I'm pretty sure. Hold on. Array donation, donation results. All right. Yep. So I don't really need this. I'm taking everything that's in the friggin' array right here and displaying it. because if I do like the root or whatever of this, it's gonna give me the all the info. And I can't exactly select more because it wants the J tokens. No wonder though. Hang on. Nee. I'm pretty sure it's not gonna show me anything. Be nice if it did though. Nice if it did though. Yeah, system invalid. Unable to cast type of Newtonsoft J value to J array. At line 255, which is right here. But it shows like this. You got the type, the message, and like for, and the event ID, which is all up here. Type for message, the event message, but it creates a list using the message. Streamlabs event message, name is test, repeat is live, created at amount, currency, blah 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 blah. Line 255 right here. To string, and then if you try to make it a direct string, it's like, oh no, I don't like that because it cannot convert JArray to string, which means you have to do this to a string. And you can't do just like .children to string. And then you do this, and it's like, oh no, 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 sorry, can't do it. And then to string, and it's like, oh, hey, maybe we can. And then you try and turn it into a string, and it's like, oh, wait, no, we can't. Like, what the heck? And then you try and do straight up string, and it looks like it might work, but I doubt it. See, it just returns the friggin' type. Let's see here. Yeah, it just returns this line as a token, and it's like, really? Really? That's not what I wanted. And then you do this way, and it's going to return pretty much this result right here. Watch. Oh no, it's doing it again, isn't it? 255. Ah, right, because of the dot children 2 string or whatever. Nope. Because of this. And then you do parent. And it's like, oh, wait, what? But then you do it this way, and it's like, oh, wait, you want it twice? Yeah, sure, we can do that. No, I don't want it twice. And if we try doing this, it gives out of bounds result, as you can see here. Index was out of range, must be non-negative and less than the size of the collection. And it's like, bruh, what? The entire list is like one whole thing. And it's stupid. It's stupid, I tell you. Stupid, stupid, stupid. Because this one is looking for this, like the specific thing. And if you just do it like this, invalid key value, property name expected. Because it's expecting a string. You could do 4. And it'll tell you Streamlabs. But since it's not a array, it's like, oh, hey, you're wanting a value, eh? So you come here and you go JValue. And then it's like, oh, hey, yeah, here you go. All right, it's wanting this. It's doing that over and over. I forgot to change that. But then you do that. And then it's like, nah, we want a value. There is no key there. And then you change this to that. My friend sending me a long message. Oh, cannot access child value on da 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 da. And it's like, what? And at line 256, because it's trying to find an array, and there is no array. And what the heck, man? Stop! And then you do donation, and it's like, oh, hey, look, you want the Streamlabs value? Okay, no problem. And then you do type, and then it's like, oh, you want what type it is? Okay, here you go. You can't, like, do this. You can't search for these specifically. Like, watch. I'll go for the amount. Uh, Amount. Array donation 2. J value. Comment you out. Array donation 2. And watch, it will not give the amount. See? It just completely skips over it. Why? Because it don't exist. You specify, hey, I'm looking for a string here. And it's like, oh no, you can't do that because convert it. And then you try doing string, and it's like, oh no, you can't do that. But yet, this works. Because even though it is a legitimate thing, like, you can see the amount right here. It is a legit thing. It finds it every time. It's registering as a double now. It just don't want to work. And then you three, 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 J value 4. Comment this out. Oh, right, because it don't exist here. Start. And then, oh look, it's for Streamlabs. Yay! Does it twice. No problem. But as soon as you try and find the data value for A, but as soon as you try and find data value for amount, zilch, nada. Even though it's right here and right here. It's right there for both of them. But it won't let you find them for I don't know what reason. cannot convert the token. Meaning it wants this, represents a value in JSON, string, integer, date, etc. And I really, really, really want to get this one working extremely extremely well before I move on to like the these. And then you got the mystery subscription being practically the same as the Twitch subscription. Just with a few more types added. Yeah, I'm wondering if subplan is the one for like how many it gets, or if it's like recurring or something like that. Probably this though. It's like, look, amount. That's how many you'd get. As for why it's and it won't even show like all the donation stuff. Watch. Like, uh, let's move it partially off so it's easy enough. Donation. Created at, amount, currency, formatted amount, message, from ID, source. But we only have the to name. Yeah. Name. Is this a test? Whatever this is. And that's for like the base thing. And then you go down here and it's listing it in the formatted amount, then the amount, then the currency, or no, then the message, then the currency. It doesn't even have like the to section here anywhere, which looks to be like a dictionary definition. And then from username, from ID, and it don't even list the type, like where it came from. And yes, I'm using the Twitch section, so Hmm. But if I come over here, that's not what I want. And try and find it here. Like right here, I just have it splitting by line and displaying until it finds the donation amount, and then it's like, oh, wait, here you go, and then it shows. It breaks from here, prints it out somewhere. Either way, it grabs the JData stuff and moves it over to the object. I don't want that. So I am grabbing the info directly from the JData. The amount donated 3 is being split at every comma and turned into a partial amount donated per string line, and then it's finding the first integer, and it's turning it into a number. And that's where it's grabbing it. And it's displaying that number somewhere. Oh yeah, right down here. The donation amount is right here. And it's of type. What is it? Meaning, what kind of value is it? And it's double. I'm wondering if I can specify even farther with this. String array donation 3. Comment this out. Equals. But it doesn't like that, so take this. Copy it again so I don't have to scroll all the way up. See, it don't like it because it cannot implicitly convert type to string. Okay. Who string Streamlabs event donation. The generic method jToken.toString cannot be used with type arguments. Formatting, parameters, JSON converter, converters, whatever the hell that is, dot get value. String property name of the J object, which is JData. It looks like it's okay with that, but I doubt it will be. Oh, it looks like it was. Then if I go for the direct amount, it's going to be like, nope, can't do it. Because it don't exist. Because it's null. The value does not exist for the amount at all. So I wonder... Yeah, see, it freaked out right there. So I wonder if message dot... Nope. Watch this. Get type dot toString, and it's going to be like, oh, it's a J array. See? Newtonsoft.json.linguist or whatever .j array. Which, okay, yeah, I can completely friggin' understand. But it's not the solution I need. Dot children dot toString yeah, right here it's just like, oh, hey, yeah, it's an enumerable of 1 with J token. And it's like, what? No. Bad. And descendants, it's pretty much just saying the same as children. 36 descendants? Bullcrap. Get value. Wish it would work, but it won't. And what the heck is the other overload? Hang on. Is it like a whole true false thing? If we try doing object dot, we get nothing, which is stupid. And if we try and cast it as a friggin' string, like we did for the others, here's what happens. That's it. Just, oh, hey, look, it's this type, and it doesn't even want to go into depth about it. Because why would it need to? Like, the data is there. The data gets saved. Watch. array donation 3 will be an object type with all the necessary data. See? Oh, maybe not. Oh, it's just turning the whole thing into a string. But like down here, you can see that it has the amount 85, stored inside the object. But you can't get to it from within the object itself. Which is stupid. Message, count equals 1, amount right there. Can't even find it in here. Streamlabs event receiver donation. Okay. Created at. But yeah, see, like, array donation equals JArray JData message right there. This entire list right here. As for why it's not listed as a list, I got no clue. It's over here. It is most definitely listed as type list. And then it converts it into a string. Child tokens, donation, name, message, da 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 da. We try and click on this one, and then it's like, oh, look at all these properties. Which one do you want? Click first, and then it's like, oh, hey, looky there. First. Oh, look, here's the friggin' type right here, and then no more to go. Next. Nothing. As values true. Last. And then you can pretty much just work your way up, which is so friggin' stupid. And then the parent right here. Oh, look, parent. The next one is 4. Oh, fun. How? Donation. It's only got one property in there. And then it goes to the next. It's like, oh, hey, looky there. And then the next. 4. Streamlabs. Looky there. And then the next. The event ID. Right there. And then nothing after that. So it's got like 4 values. Total. The type, the message, the 4, the event ID. What I'm wanting is in the token section, which is the message for the property. But it won't let me go any further into it because why should it? And then you go to root and it's like, oh, hey, looky there. It's just so stupid. Has value. Yeah, right there. Which I want. I want that value right friggin' there. This is gonna be like, oh, wait, no, can't. See? It'll print this. Instead of what I need. And then if I do a check for has values, it'll be like, oh, hey, yeah, sure, we have that. Seriously? Of course, that would pop up. Is it because it's being listed as a string? Yep. And then if I do this, it's going to be like, oh, hey, yeah, it's true. It has values. See? Which I obviously know it has values. Mm. Wonder what would happen with that. Nothing! Because why should it? See? And then if we try this way, it's going to be like, no. Not be used as type parameter T in the generic typer method jtoken.children. There is no implicit reference conversion to jtoken. Yeah, figured that would be the case. Mount. So it would be slash wrong kind of slash. And watch, it ain't gonna work, is it? It's gonna be like, nope. Mm, yup, knew it. Because it's wanting to. Mm. Not do it. Return null. This. And it's like, oh, hey, look. There's stuff there now. Is it wanting to. I don't think that'll work. Of course not. God. Yo, auctioneer, yeah. To follow object path E sharp. Hmm. Wonder if that would work. VAR A 3 equals name of that. The heck is X though? Okay, so that is indeed a function. Built into the class. So private static string of the name of suppose, or greater than, whatever. Expression? New. Seriously? It does not look like that's going to work for me. Break. Reference the ID attribute of the HTML element. First, reference to the skid property. Nope. class. Seriously? That ain't helping. Wonder if that would work. Because it is a J object. Yeah, that's a J object. J data dot. Nope. Parse. J data. Hmm. I convert from object to string. Mm. Equals J data dot select token message dot type 0 0 dots. Type message dot type 0. So the message be the first one. So message amount. Maybe? Oh, stupid phone. It's Nolan. It's like token. Yeah, amount. Although it would be 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3. Wrong. dot message, one dot message to this if I can figure out how to properly do this, I'm golden. Type 0 car dot type car dot type. Like, I'm trying to figure out how to apply this to this car dot type. See, car dot type list of 0. Here's the beginning of this list. End of it, meaning there's 2. 0 would be the first position, meaning this one, which would make dot sedan. And then the make, which would give car type 0 sedan make Honda, which car type sedan make Honda. And if it was dot model, it would be Civics. I wonder if it's because it's being created as an object up here. What happens if I try and turn it into a J object? Lots of problems. Okay. So if I can't turn it into a J object, wonder if I can. But then see, the parse, which is supposed to be right there, isn't wanting to work. Wait, didn't this one throw me an issue? Yes, it did, right here. Because it's like, oh no, I can't do it. Seriously? Donation is a type which is not valid in the given context. Cannot convert from JToken to string. Oh, a donation 5 equals right. J token have to follow equals OBJ2 so it would be message mount follow dots path plus no. Okay. $67A is, of course, it's the parsing. Reading J object from JSON reader. Current JSON reader item is not an object. Start array. Not an object, huh? Because it's being classified as a J array. Freaking course. Expected character encountered while parsing value. Seriously? Character error encountered while parsing value S. Seriously? Eh? I'm sorry, what? Unexpected character encountered while parsing value S dot path unknown, comma line zeros position 0. E? Doubt it'll work, but it's worth a shot. Of course not! Current JSON reader item is not an object. Start array. Wait, did I do array donate? Nope. Amount donated 3. Right there. JData. Get value. Okay. To string. Current JSON reader item is not an object. Blah, 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 blah. Cool story. Cannot convert from object to string. Then it's going to be like, not a J object. Yay. Seriously? Error encounter. Me, 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 me. Me, 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 me. Almost. System access JArray values with invalid key value amount. Get item object key. Nope. Yes! So if I do JData instead of this, if I combine them, I should be able to. What? Not convert from string to int. It's gonna give me a problem, isn't it? No, it will not. Then if I do this, yatta! So if I do this, copy it up to here. Comment them out for now so that way I can figure out what needs to go where. Sub. Mystery sub. Okay. Extra gift. Bits. Okay. Now if I do test donation, 45, 45, amount, 45. Okay. Ooh, what if I plus height type. Type J value. That don't help any. Type integer. Value type integer. It should be a double. God, what is up with that? Newton soft J value. JSON link J value. Hmm. Is numeric equals Where's donation amount? Up here. Did I put it all the way up here? Yes, I did. Oh, wait. Okay. Here's the amount. Prints the entire thing as a check. Uh, Path to follow. Message amount. Message amount. 9. J value. Okay. Path to follow. Here's the amount. Smiling 9. Okay. I've got a cooler idea for that. Uh, So now it should show the amount, then new line followed by smiley, and I should add another new line right after the smiley so it's not running in together. Smiley. Aha. Type J value. Okay. Type. Let's type system double. Okay. Yes. So I can pretty much get rid of this top part right here. Donated amount. I am not using the donated amount in any of them. Heck, I'm not even using the object part, but I'll keep it in. Because of all of this! Because it's stupid! Stupido! But for, like, amount donated 3 all the way down, I'm not seeing it being repeated anywhere, so... Well, first, let's try this and see. And if it works just fine without that, I'm deleting it. Connected. Yep. Works just fine. Voice. Let's do this. Okay. Okay. I can now delete all of this. This is pretty much just going, hey, this is where everything is. I need these so I can determine where everything is. Or, why am I doing it like that? This part. And now it should still work. Yup. Alright, so now I am getting the proper value for where it is. Sweet. It is setting the donation amount as equal to there. Delete donation amount. It's up here as well. It's not called anywhere except to change down here, but I'm going to be referencing my program inside of here. I can just pass the number through to the necessary function. So add if else check for Twitch or YouTube here. Add functionality to pass through the amount donated in case of using Streamlabs. Alright, I've pretty much got this configured. For that, anyways, it checks to see if it's numeric. If it's numeric, then pass it through. The donation bit is the only situation where I would need to pass it through from Streamlabs or Streamelements. As for the a lot of the other stuff for Twitch, I can do like the direct cheers, subscription, and bits, or not bits, follows directly from Twitch. So, two authorization codes, one for Streamlabs, one for Twitch, Twitch handle. Let's see, 3 authorization for sockets, Twitch, Streamlabs sockets, Streamelements sockets, 5 authorization or 4 authorizations, YouTube, Twitch, Streamlabs, and Streamelements. I'm confusing myself. Okay. Twitch handle, YouTube handle / channel ID, whatever. The YouTube one's gonna be difficult for me to do because I don't stream there. I should. And then you got the YouTube socket API if possible, Twitch authorization code, Streamlabs socket code, which is, I have mine hard coded right now, but once I convert this over to my program, it's going to be soft coded so that way anybody can do it. And then stream elements. I spent days just trying to find this client. And again, Ocgeneer, however you pronounce it, thank you. You are the man. Or woman. You're the person. Then if I do pretty much similar thing with these, because with my program, I don't really need to like watch follows through the Streamlabs client. I will, but I don't need to. Because with my program, I am drawing the data directly from Twitch for the follows. So that way I can have a little counter for that. On the off chance someone decides to like sub or follow bot you, it's not like counting hundreds of follows every time it like checks the difference. So if people are like following, you're, for small streamers, you're not going to have more than a few people following left and right to increase the timer. And so I put in a little check on the off chance that someone is follow botting, which would be horrible. Streamlabs fine. Gifted, name, gifted, gift type, Prime subscription to streamer. Okay. So Prime gift or whatever is not, or it's like the Amazon stuff. Okay. Now let's donation. Yes. Oh, right. Where's the donation bit? Down here. Start. Donation. Path to follow 11. 11, integer. Okay. Delete that watch. Delete that watch. That watch. Okay. Now if we do subscription, this was helpful. You were helpful. Brian Rogers, thank you for the help. That was great. Well, Brian Rogers and Colin Breen. Brian, because this was a lot easier for my brain to follow along compared to this, which was like basic cursory stuff. So, thank you both. uh, what is a sub-LAN Streamlabs? What tier a user has? Okay. These are the current values. Prime 1000, 2000, 3000. Ah! Okay, so that's like tier 1. Okay. And then prime is just like prime equals a value of prime. Okay, thank you for that. Alright, that makes sense. Doubles. Okay, yeah. What the? That's a lot of stuff I've got to read later. I have finally figured out how to properly do it after how long? Mm, 2.5 hours. Alright, and I'm going to add notes to this right over here. Subplan. Where's subplan? Okay. Okay. Understanding started or expired. Display name. Guessing the Twitch mystery subscription is just like the gift. Twitch cheer emote. That one should be easy enough because it's basically the same thing as the donation. So let's mess with that real quick. Amount 10,000 cheers. System double. Okay. 10, 500. Okay. So that is now working. Sweet! Okay. Working. Working, working. That one ain't wanting to work. Resub. Subscription. What does the amount mean? Hold on. Street months for. Seriously, what does the amount mean? Display name none, null, gifter null, gifter display name null, gifter Twitch ID null, is live false. That's a lie. Oh no, that's technically true. Never mind. My bad. This is a test. 1 month. Subplan 1000. So it's a tier 1. Name, demon, subplane name, null, subtype null, Twitch ID null. That one's kind of understandable. Huh. Seriously? Wait, is it doing the whole... It better not be. It is, isn't it? Nope, still doing the same thing. For some odd reason. Event receiver. Streamlabs event. Message type for message. Event message name is test is repeat. So don't need that. That. This. No. Minimize, minimize, minimize. Which follow, minimize. Twitch subscription. I'll fix that at a later point. Okay. Oh. Whoops. Okay, so it should show amount if it exists. Error! Woo! All because I clipped subscription. Name is test, months, message. Name is test. Months. Message. Subplan. Sub. 15, 15, okay. And error, because path to follow to was no. No concept. That. So it's not doing it there. Is it doing it up here? No. Hmm? Type resub. Type subscription. So is it just like doing both of those? Yeah, it looks like it's jumping into this one and getting everything necessary. Why is it? Why? Huh. String dot value. Okay. Type right there. Resub. For some reason, it is indeed giving the amount which it is able to obtain. Huh. name is test. Yes, this is for resub. Right here. If I continue it, it's going to be a different amount. But I'm just not getting where it's getting the amount from. Because it doesn't even show in here either. Then it's like, oh, well, it's in Twitch subscription. And the normal Twitch subscription doesn't even have it. Like, if I get rid of it, it's not in here. It is in Twitch Mystery subscription, but it's not doing that. Because it's showing as resub, which is right here. And then if I do this, move it all over here. This. Ah. Then it's like, oh, hey, yeah, resub, correct. You from there, and it finds it. Just fine. I just do not understand where it is grabbing the amount from for this. If I try subscription, continue, case subscription, failure. And then it's like, oh, well, too bad. Resub, it's like, oh, okay, yeah, sure, no problem. Setting it up in the wrong break areas, okay. Okay, it's breaking right there. See, it's for Twitch account. Amount 57. This is the resub. J data. Message. Okay. Ah, so it is continuing from here, but it's not showing everything. Yeah. Okay. The subscription, and it's like, oh, wait, it's not showing it in here. They're both using the same event receiver bit. Because here's the resub. Goes through, it finds it, and then here's the normal sub. And it's just like, nah, I don't want to find it. I don't like the months property. Checks if a specific user ID is subscribed to a specific channel. Authentication. User access token with scope. User read subscriptions. Uh, God, this sucks. I wish I met the requirements for affiliate so I could properly test all this. So I could just like use Streamlabs or Stream Elements for only the donations. This is for broadcaster subscription. Ah, this is for that's not what I want. I want this one. Okay. Why? Oh boy. User ID of the broadcaster must match the user ID in the bearer token. It's there. Simple enough to. Do believe I've gotten that figured out. Like, I am pretty sure I have that figured out now. The whole connecting. A person to watch would be like Twitch. In this response right here, broadcaster to watch is the URL. Basically seeing the broadcaster ID and stuff, as well as the ID of the user, total number of users that's it's that one. Well, so you grab like the total amount of users subscribed to that particular broadcaster, meaning if it's you, the total amount you have, you set it equal to a integer value, and you constantly check every time somebody subscribes, meaning if the value, the new value of the total amount is higher than the saved value, adjust the saved value, add time. Okay. And then if you really want to get into it, you can judge the new tier that was just added. And then if you really want to get into it, you could do a comparison for the tier that was just subscribed and multiply the like if you're doing a timer, the tier that was just subscribed could have like its own set of values based off the original, or you can double or triple the values, except for like negatives. Don't want to screw too many people. And that way, if like dozens of people subscribe all at once, it can do a check and see how many had subscribed and add money that way. Or not. Or yeah, do a check of how many subscribed with what tier. Uh, go through with every single one and add time for the base value, do a multiplication for the tier, And the amount of people could be counted. Like if there's a difference in the amount you do total equals, or old total equals subscriber total, well, subscriber dot total, difference in amount equals um no, you do difference in amount equals uh total subscription dot total minus old total, which would be the difference in amount. Then you'd set the old total to equal subscriptions dot total, and you do a for each loop where for every one counted, or for each thing do um time add. After time add, check the subscription, and if it is or just like run through the subscriptions. If sub added yeah, on event sub added, do time add, compare tier. If tier 2 or 3, then multiply by 2 or 3. Unless the value is negative, then do nothing. Leave the negative value alone. Add to old total. Like, move old total up by 1. So that way it stays in line with the total value for the broadcaster. But you'll have to initially get a old total count first. So you'd have to do like old total equals subscribers dot total. Well, if old total equals or is less than or equals to 0, do old total equals subscribers dot total, and then you just count it up every time someone subscribes, if that makes any sense whatsoever. So for these, for the subs and resubs, I don't really need to do the whole thing right there. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Uh, I want to get the value. This. Though that'll probably tell me if it's true or not. Hmm. Event type. Read resub. Okay, yeah, that did not work like I thought it would. Okay. Start. Yearly Prime subscription. Okay. Monthly, monthly, yearly, yearly. But it's not showing up in here. Aha! There we go. Event type. Prime sub gift. Okay. Mm. Yeah. Pace. Prime sub gift. Prime sub gift. Prime sub gift. Okay. Stop. Start. Labs and prime sub gift. Switch data value string. Event type prime gift. Else if event 4 does not exist, event type exists. Type is donation. Okay, so if the j dot data dot value 4 is Twitch account, Mixer account, YouTube account, or Streamlabs, pick one of those, and then do the type. Okay, and since this is a event for Streamlabs, you would do case dot that, and you would do these. Okay, stop, start, test. Oh, right, I suppose I should. Are you genius? And then if we do this, monthly, John to Lane or Jane. Part of it's cut off. Oopsies. There we go. John gifted yearly Prime subscription to Jane. And then we do it again. Yearly Prime subscription to Jane. From John to Jane. Gift type yearly. And then we do bits. Oh, right. Let's stop that. Disable this breakpoint. Come down here. That part might be redundant. Let's just do it anyways. Okay, so path to follow 3, path to follow 3. Right, I don't need that one. Whoopsie. And then down here for this one, donation. Okay. Now let's do this. Test gifted monthly prime to Jane. John, Jane, monthly. Okay. Donation. John donated $48. Test donation of $48. Is test formatted amount $48. Amount 48. Test donation for 48 to Demon from John. Here's the amount 48 as type double. Pretty much necessary for my program. That was the donation. Yeah. Subscription. Demon just subscribed. This is a test. Name Demon. It's test true, obviously. Months 1. This is a test. Subplan. Okay. It's pretty much going to do the same thing. Okay. Just subscribed. Well, resubscribed. A Demon True 8 months, 4 street months. This is a test. No subplan. First tier. Amount 12. What is with the amount? I do not get that. Unless it's like adding these two together, like you just subscribed for 8 months. Tier 1. Okay, that was the resubscription. Follow. It's now following. That did not pan out like I thought it would. Oh, duh. Maybe because I didn't do that. That's funny. That's real funny, Michael. Yeah. And now, hosting. I did that not this way. Ah, is it because it, host, raid. I wasn't expecting the merch to work. Streamlabs Prime Gift, yearly, yay. Twitch follow, Twitch sub, Twitch resub, donation, $100, double, bits. Cheer 1 bit. That's type double. 1,000 as type double. I just figured out this entire program, figured out how to get the specific amount for donations and bits just from this alone. I like that. I do not foresee being able to grab how many subscribers that the user has straight from Streamlabs. Or followers for that matter. But that should not matter because it can be applicable. The code I already have written can be applicable to this. It would just be 0 for follow or the old follower or whatever. So if a bunch of people were to like follow through Streamlabs or something, it could count how many follows came through and concatenate them to a specific amount if it goes over. So people can't be follow botted via uh, uh, Streamlabs. Bits, donations, and subs will work through Streamlabs as well, which I just got done. I can also do the same through the Twitch API, so I can set it up to use both Streamlabs and Twitch, or Stream Elements in Twitch, Streamlab and YouTube, Stream Elements in YouTube, or just Streamlabs, just Stream Elements, just Twitch, and just YouTube. Of course, now I have to figure out how to do Stream Elements and YouTube. And I imagine the APIs for both of them were written with JavaScript. I'm pretty sure I've mentioned this before, but I really hate not having access to already written code in C#, because reverse engineering JavaScript for me is not fun. Python, okay, yeah, I can kind of do it. C#, yeah, I can kind of do it. Like, well, I just did it. C++, I can kind of do it. But JavaScript into Unity? It requires DLLs, massive amounts of patience. Like, an absurd amount. And I'm not a fan. But until the next stream, I will try and stream some more tomorrow. Don't know if I'll be able to, but I'll try. I will try. Let's just delete all my breakpoint here. I have no idea what the mystery subscription is supposed to be for. Pretty sure it's supposed to be for, like, the Prime thing, but eh. Twitch tier, which is basically Twitch bits, which thank ya. I've been streaming for like 3 hours 40 minutes. Twitch host, Twitch raid, screw Mixer. I should probably just remove Mixer in its entirety. Like, who knows anyone that still streams on Mixer? In fact, is Mixer still even up? Let's check, people. Nope, not up. Yep, not up. What happened to Mixer? Initially launched as Beam, was a live streaming platform that enabled content creators to broadcast themselves in video format. Mixer shut down because of intensive competition, high cost of maintaining the product, lack of community building, employee turnover, technical issues, as well as Microsoft shifting its focus towards other products. So yeah, there's pretty much no point in having the mixer stuff anywhere in any of the documentation whatsoever. That's great. But yeah, I will try and stream some more tomorrow now that I'm actually figuring this out and got all of this working. Let's just delete these real quick. Save. Streamlabs have been args. Da 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 da. Twitch account. Mixer account. Pretty sure that. Yep. Huh. And now there is only Twitch, YouTube, and Streamlabs. Streamlabs donation, Prime sub gift. Oh, I think I know what the Prime sub gift is. It's not actually, it's not actually, like, it's just like a gifted sub. I'm sorry, what? Oh, it's because yeah. Streamlabs, Prime sub gift. Twitch subscriptions. Streamlabs. Nope. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's just like a normal gifted sub or whatever. It's just like going through the Prime thing. Through the Prime API or whatever. Because I know you can give like tier 1 subs, tier 2 subs, tier 3 subs. If switch, okay. Or can I add in my own if full using Twitch equals false if not using Twitch what did it do? You SOB. It does not like that. It does not like that at all. Oof. I'll look into that in a few. But yeah, I'll again for the third time. I'll try and stream some more tomorrow. Now that I've figured this out for the most part, I'll try and start applying it to my program itself, which will be a doozy and a half. And yeah. Anyways, until the next stream, have a good morning, afternoon, evening, and night. Bye bye.